Hey, it's Michelle from the Glitzy Pair. Today I am talking all things organizing. Stay tuned for the end because I'm going to show you how I organize my playroom with these. They're from Decomomo. It is a Canadian company that makes organizing bins, but not only organizing bins, they are adorable. They're so cute. They have so many different sizes and shapes. It is totally worth your look at their shop. I want to show you these larger bins that I got for my college-age boy that we're going to slip underneath his dorm room bed. It said when they came 17 inches, and guess what? They're 17 inches long and 12 inches deep. So depending on which way you're going to use them, they are going to be amazing. Then look how compact they can get. So if you don't need them, they can just collapse back into something really flat, especially if you're going to be using them in your car or a carry case or something like that. But if you're going to use them in your dorm room, look how easy that is just to open those up. The inside is a wipeable material, so if it gets dirty, it's easily wiped out. It has these cute leather-like hands that are darling with double grommets, so they are going to hold together. And then this outer piece, top and bottom, are really, really sturdy. So I love the idea of how thick and big this bin is. And the fun thing is it comes with 3. So this is so good for shoes, blankets, winter clothes if they're going to school in the fall and they need to store coats and things because they are so big. They are just made out of durable material, really thick, great quality, and then collapsible. These are super duper practical, but they're also super duper cute. So I love things that are really well made, look amazing, look high end, are reasonably priced, and are very practical for your storage needs. This company has a million different solutions for you, but these are by far my favorite size, 17 by 12. Such a cool size, such a cool product. So happy I found them.